again classified on the basis of characteristics like presence or absence of seed, vascular tissue, and differentiation of plant body. The kingdom Plantae divided into phanerogams and cryptogams. Cryptogams are the spores producing plant and do not produce the seed and the flower. They reproduce sexually by the gametes, but sex organs are concealed, that is hidden. And in phanerogams, they are commonly called the seed producing plants. They produce the special reproductive structures that are visible, and that's why it is called the visible marriage, and here it is called the hidden marriage. Then the cryptogams are again divided into non-vascular plants and the vascular plant. Vascular plants means the xylem and the phloem. Vascular bundles are present in those plants. They are called the vascular plants, and the vascular bundles are absent, then they are called the non-vascular plants. Non-vascular plants again divided into Thallophyta. Thallophyta means the plant body is not divided into root, leaf, stem structure. Bryophyta means leaf-like, stem-like, root-like structures present in the plants. Such plants are called the Bryophyta. And Pteridophyta means the plant body is divided into root, stem, and leaf. Then the phanerogams, that is the seed producing plant, again divided into vascular plants. They are having a vascular plants, or they are having a vascular bundles. Then they are divided into the gymnosperms and the angiosperms. Gymnosperms, the seeds are naked, and in angiosperms, seeds are the enclosed in the fruits. The angiosperms again divided into the dicotyledons and monocotyledons. Dicotyledon means two cotyledons are present. Monocotyledon means single cotyledon is present in maize, jawar, and bajra. Thallophyta, general characteristics of the Thallophyta habitat is the aquatic. Generally they are found in the waters, that's why they are called the aquatic. Epiphytic, above the plant body, and symbiotically, that means there is a mutualism, there is a symbiotic relationship between the plant and the algae. And epizoic, that is on the skin of animals. The plant body is a thalloid. It is not differentiated into root, leaf, and the stem. The unicellular algae like chlorella. Multicellular algae are like Spirogyra. They are unbranched and filamentous. Branched algae are the Chara, and cell wall is made up of cellulose and a variety of proteins. The reserve food material is in the form of starch and their other forms. Reproduction is vegetative, asexual reproductions, and life cycle shows the alternation of generation. The classification of Thallophyta, as per its pigment, the chlorophyce, Phaeophyce, and rhodophyce. Chlorophyce having the green pigments, Phaeophyce having the brown pigments, and the rhodophyce having the red pigments. This is the classification of algae. Today we will discuss about only like a algae. For example, here the Chara, Chlamydomonads, and Spirogyras. Chlorophyce is the green pigment, having a green pigment. It is a fresh water, as well as few are the in marine water and the brackish water. They are unicellular. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. Chloroplasts are the various type, ribbon shaped, disc shaped, and especially it contains the chlorophyll A and B. The food material is in the form of starch, and pyrenoids are also present, and such algae are used as a food material and they are used by the space traveler. Then another one is that the Phaeophyce, which having a brown pigments, and the examples are Laminaria, Sargassum, Fucans are the example of brown algae. Such algae are the marine, especially they found in the marine water. The cellulose is made up of fucans and the algae. Chlorophyll A and C and fucoxanthin is present in such algae. The food material is in the form of mannitol and laminaria. The plant body shows the hold fast, stalk and the frond. Hold fast means here that means the plant body is differentiated into hold fast, stalk is called the stip, and the leaf like structure is called as the photosynthetic organ called as the frond. So the hold fast, this is the stalk, and here it is a frond. So hold fast, stalk and the frond. Then the food material is in the form of a mannitol, laminarian starch. Then it is used as a food material, and generally it is used for the production of hydrocolloids. For example, ectocarpus, fucans, these are the examples. Another one is that rhodophyceae, red algae. This one is the red algae. And the examples are the Batrachospermum, Gracilaria, Polysiphonia. It is marine and generally found in the deep sea water. Thallophyta, Thallophyta having a characteristics like the plant body is not differentiated into root, leaf and the stem. That's why it is called the thalloid. Generally chlorophyll A, D and phycoerythrins are present. Then the cellulose is made up of the cellulose pectin. The food material is in the form of Floridian starch, and it is used for agar-agar to made up of the agar-agar medium. Then the bryophyta are the terrestrial moist shady places.